Assalamu alaikum my friend. I hope you are all okay. Today I'm going to share with you red kidney beans recipe with my style, and different people have a different style to cook it, but the way I cook it, hopefully you guys will like it. I cooked with the different spices and with the fresh pepper, and let's begin our today's recipe. Hello my friends, hope you are all okay. So I begin my today's recipe. So today I'm going to make it red kidney beans, and these beans I boiled by myself, the fresh beans. As you can see, that is completely boiled now. Here you can see that I soak it over the night, and then I boiled in the pressure cooker. After the whistle I cooked it 20 minutes. I boiled it. After the whistle 20 minutes I boiled, and I did not discard the water who it was with it, so I can use this water for the soup. And if you guys can't boil it, if you don't have a time, you can use the tin red kidney beans who comes in the tin. And if you want to, please don't discard the water if you want to keep the soup, but if you cook a dry one, then you can discard the water. Is up to you. So here I just boiled my red kidney beans, and other things who I'm using it, the fresh thing is this one is one paper bell. You can take any color you like, blue, green, yellow, whatever color you like it. 2 teaspoon garlic ginger paste, 1 medium onion I fine chopped it, and there is little bit coriander. I will use it. And after that I just soak this 2 tablespoon rice in the water. I'm going to use this as well. And also I'm going to use these these plum tomatoes. I'm using the tin one. I will be use only 2 tomatoes from this tin. If you are using the fresh tomatoes, you can use the only 2. And also I will be use this 1 chili, which is optional. If you guys want, you can use it. If you don't want, it really doesn't matter. So let's begin our recipe now. First I'll be take the oil in the pan. I took 3 to 4 tablespoon oil. I don't use that much oil because it's not very healthy. It's up to you guys how much oil you want it, and I recommend to you that use less oil. I'm using olive oil. Is up to you, whatever oil you like. So first I'll be add inside 1 teaspoon of cumin, and I'll be cook it just for 2 minutes. Our cumins are ready. They are giving very nice smell. So I'm going to add all chopped onions first, and I'll be cook it in the medium heat until they will be little golden brown. When it will be brown, then I will be show you guys. Yes guys, here our onion is little bit brownish now. I don't want to be make it too much brown, so I'm going to add these 2 tomatoes. If you're using the fresh tomato, you can use just only 2. So I'm using tin tomatoes, and same time I'll be add inside this 2 teaspoon of garlic ginger paste, and I'll be cook it until they are very tender and become like a paste, and the oil will be separate. And now I'm going to cook it, and then I'll be show you guys. Yes friends, as you can see, this is become like paste now, and oil is completely look like this here. Look, it's separate now. So I'm going to add inside our all chili powders one by one. So first I'm adding this half teaspoon black seeds. Urdu में इसको कलौंजी बोलते हैं. If you don't have this black seed, you can skip it. It really doesn't matter. But if you add it, it give you the good taste. 1 teaspoon I'm going to add cumin powder, zira powder. 1 teaspoon I'm going to add inside turmeric powder, haldi powder, and 1 teaspoon, less than 1, I would say third of the spoon. I'm going to add the red chili powder, lal mirch powder, or 2 teaspoon I'm going to add inside coriander powder, sabut dhania ka powder. This is all our chili powders came, and I'll be cook it with these chili powders for next 2 minutes in the medium heat. Yes, my friend, I cooked it 2 minutes, and I'm going to add inside my all red kidney beans who I boiled earlier. If you are using the tin one, you can use the tin one as I explained you guys before, but I like it the fresh one because it gives you very good taste. And it still is in the medium heat, and I'll be cook it for next 5 minutes in this sauce. And make sure you keep moving the spoon. It's not gonna it will not gonna stuck on the in the bottom of the pan. I'm cooking it the 5 minutes, then I'll be show you guys. Yes, my friend, I cooked it almost 5 minutes, and here I'm going to add this water who I boiled my red kidney beans inside. But if you are using the can one, then you can use the water, don't discard it, and use the can water. I'll give us a nice mix, and same time I'm going to use our this rice who we soaked it. It's just 2 tablespoons. Now I will cook it. I will cover it and cook it until the rice will be very tender, and mix it with the soup. It will be not take too much time. And one more thing, I just let you know, guys, it's up to you how much soup you want to keep it. If you want less soup, add less water. If you want too much soupy, you can add extra water. Is up to you. But I'll be keep it not that much soup. I'll be keep just like a medium, not too much and not too less. Now I will be cover my pan and cook it for until the rice will cook very well, and I'll be cover it, and it's a medium heat. Then after rice will be cooked in this pan, I will be show you next step, guys. Yes, my friend, here I cook it almost 15 minutes. So let's see what is it inside. And my rice is cooked now, look like. Yes, it is, as you see. So now what will I do at this point, I'll be add inside all the pepper bell who I chopped it earlier. And I'll be give it a good mix. And I didn't add the salt yet, because I always put salt at the end. It's make me good idea that how much curry or how much stuff you have. So I'm going to add salt, and you can add salt as much as you like or whatever you taste. I put the inside the paper bag. I'll be cover it and cook it just 5 minutes more, and then our curry will be ready. Yes, my friend, it's almost 5 minutes. I'm cooking with the pepper when I eat it. So let's check where we are. For me, it's 100% ready now, as you can see. And I don't want to cook too much, otherwise our paper bell will be disappear inside, because it's vegetable, and it's won't be. This will be like a cooked, smashed like inside, and I don't want to be cooked too much. Here I'll be add 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. How to make the Garam Masala, I'll be put the link inside the description box, so you can make if you're interested in the Garam Masala. And little bit here I'm going to add coriander who I showed you guys earlier, and the chili who I cut it. I'm going to put this chili as well inside, and I'll be cover it for 10 minutes. Then oil will be come on the top. Our curry is 100% ready now. Then I'll be show you guys in the bowl when I'll be dish out. Yes, my friend, this is my recipe, and our red kidney beans are ready now. And as you can see, it's look very delicious to me. I didn't put too much oil because oil is not very healthy though. and but this soup is look very nice to me. I'm going to eat with this the fresh bread, and if you want you can use it any fresh naan or baguette or any garlic bread or anything is up to you, or you can eat either just with a spoon as well. It's very tasty, and I show you the soup consistency. Yes guys, look the soup here, and it's not that too much soupy. I just keep it like very little bit soupy here, and there we go. Look at this guys, and it's look super delicious. If you like my videos and you visit regular on my channel, please subscribe my channel and like my videos, and inshallah I'll become again with my next recipe. Please take good care of yourself, and Allah Hafiz.